Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader at X2. And in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Gold stays flat after Fed decision. Gold prices got little kick from the Federal Reserve's decision of no changes to the interest rate. The announcement allowed gold to stay essentially flat as investors digest the report and await Fed Chair Jerome Powell's comments. So, my dear friend, there was no changes in the interest rate, because of which this is the condition of gold right now. The chart of gold has been not very useful for the last few days because gold has been trading in a narrow range. We had high hopes, expectations from the FOMC, but sadly, market failed to move much. This is the 4-hour chart of gold in front of us. And my dear friends, if you're a swing trader, then you hold your positions for a couple of days. So do you think that this is the right time to execute any trades? Obviously no, isn't it? If you have any ongoing buy position, then obviously you can hold your buy position because overall the chart is bullish. There is no doubt about it, with big stop loss. But if you're looking for a fresh position in the market and you are trying to understand the ongoing trend here, then obviously it will be difficult for you. So just use your common sense and tell me, do you think that it's a good place to trade? Obviously no, we have a mixture of red and green candles. If we switch to the hourly time frame, then we have this. So my dear friends, just forget the name of gold. Just forget the name gold here. If I just show you a random chart, do you think that it's a good chart to trade? Obviously your answer will be no. We have a soft corner for gold, I can understand, but obviously this is not the right chart. Or in one word, pathetic. The chart of gold is not very good right now for traders. But can't help it, we love to trade on gold. Many of you only trade on gold, isn't it? So obviously we need some trading opportunities. For that, we are on the 15 minutes chart of gold. You can see that I have drawn many lines here today. I have also a few arrows. Let's try to understand one by one. But before I begin, let me be very clear that you can easily see that this is not the not the best chart. So if you're looking for good opportunities in the market, then you can switch to pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, because dollar index is going up. Dollar index is bullish, because of which there is a pressure on Euro USD, GBP USD. You will find better opportunities on other pairs. But if you only trade on gold, then obviously you are extremely loyal. So let's look at the opportunities. So as we discussed yesterday also, that the problem with the range of gold is that the market has tested these levels many times. In a sideways market, the simple strategy is buy at support, sell at resistance, but there is a limit. If market tests a level 5 to 6 times or more than that, then obviously it becomes very dangerous to trade. Why? Because it's a zero-sum game. When a level becomes too common, liquidity builds up and institutions, big players go for SL hunting. So as expected, before the news market took support, after FOMC there was a clean sell. You can see there was a selling pressure. Market just took away all the stop losses and market came up again. So this was a pure SL hunting here. And now we can see that more or less gold is trading inside the range again. So what was this? This was SL hunting that we were discussing. And obviously for any breakout or breakdown, volume is important. It came after the FOMC. Anyways, now gold is trading around 337475 area. And as market is almost back inside the range, the number of trading opportunities are again limited. So during the day, if market drops in a sideways market like this, either the market will go up or down, isn't it simple? So if market drops from the current level, we can look for a buy around 3365 to 3362. This is a zone. This is a zone where we can look for a buy position, because market bounced from this level yesterday. So we can expect gold to take support only once. Yes, only once. Because technically, if you look at the market structure, then we can see the market is forming lower highs here. Lower highs is not a good sign. So we can expect that once market will bounce for 60-70 pips, if market shows further potential, you can hold. But after one bounce, or there is a Okay, there is a possibility of market breaking this area and going down. If that happens, you can look for a sell below 3340. Means if market comes to support, we can look for one bounce. After that, in the second or third attempt, there is a possibility market will break it. If it does, we can look for a sell below 3340. मतलब एक बाउंस के बाद मार्केट अगर इससे फिर से अप्रोच करता है, there is a high chance इससे मार्केट तोड़ देगा. ठीक है. And as we have already discussed in a previous video also, that the support of 3340, 3345, yes, it is still very much valid. Okay. This support is still very much valid in the market. Okay, after the, if a breakdown comes, okay, then we can look for a bounce around 4045 area. Okay, how much you can expect? It's a good level. At least we can expect 80 to 100 pips. Yeah. Okay, but keep your eyes around this area. Now we can see, clearly see the volume is very low. In a low volume market like this, we can definitely expect a bounce. But after some consolidation, market may try to break it again. Okay, so these are the opportunities where we can look for buy sell. Okay, if market goes down from the current market level. Okay, and if market goes up from here, then obviously the selling opportunity around 341008 that we have discussed earlier also, it's still very much valid. Okay, so if market goes up like this, then you can see the resistance around 3400. Yes, the resistance around 3396, 3400 has been tested many times, just like yesterday. Okay, or FOMC. Okay, there is possibility of SL hunting again here also, because this level has become too common. Hundreds and hundreds of traders, thousands of traders, retail traders will go for a sell, and obviously institutions will try to go for SL hunting. So next time, okay, if you go for a sell around 3396, 3400, please be careful. Go with a very small lot size. If you see that there is a breakout, okay, if you see the market is going up, then obviously you'll understand, you'll get the idea that, okay, as expected, okay, market has gone up. Then you can look for a sell around 341008. And after some time or after a few hours, if you see the market is coming down, okay, then you can also look for a sell below 3396 area. If you are familiar with the concept of liquidity grab, okay, then okay, you can look for a sell below 3396 area. We are looking for a sell around 340810 because the previous support will be acting as resistance. But if market goes for stop loss hunting, okay, मतलब अगर market SL hunting के लिए जाता है, obviously market will be coming down, isn't it? In that scenario, we can look for a sell below this area. Okay. And if you're planning to buy above 3400, you can go for a buy if you feel. Okay, but right now I cannot tell because it's too early. But during the day, okay, if anything crazy happens, I will upload in the Telegram community. So please join it. And one more selling opportunity may come around this particular area, like 3384, 3388. But to be honest, I'm not very confident right now. Okay, on the chart of gold, okay, while recording this video in the Asian session, I only see trading opportunities around these two areas for a sell. Okay, this one for a buy and sell below it. That's it. In the middle of the chart, obviously trading opportunities may arise, okay, during the day, but as of now, while recording the video, I do not see any. But yes, there was some considerable price rejection around this area, so it may come, okay, around 338488. If you feel that market has the market is struggling around 338586 area, then you can look for a sell. If you're also confused like me, then just leave it. But as we just discussed, that the chart of gold, obviously it's not ideal for beginners or new traders, because you can clearly see on the higher time frame that, okay, this chart is pathetic. Okay, on the hourly chart also, okay, you can see that we do not have a clear trend. Obviously this is not the ideal chart to trade. Okay, so whatever we discuss are from the 15 minutes time frame, and you can clearly understand lower time frame levels are not very reliable like the higher time frame levels. So the decision is yours, and please do not trade just for the sake of trading. Only trade when the opportunity is right. Do not forget, you are trading with your hard-earned money. Do not gamble. Bye bye. Take care.